Hello everyone. So today we will quickly learn how to georeference a geological map in QGIS. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is the main interface of the QGIS. So you need to look for a plugin called Georeferencer. So it is already installed in the QGIS, so you don't need to install this. It used to be somewhere in the raster or vector. I don't quite remember, but now it has been moved to the layer tab. So go to the layer tab and click on Georeferencer. Okay, so the Georeferencer plugin has been opened. So you need to click on this open raster first of all. So I will quickly look for my folder, and here is one of the topo sheets of Quetta that from Pakistan. So I will open it up and I will click open. So now this geological map has been opened. So we need to give the coordinates of each of these points. Okay, so you just need to zoom by scrolling the mouse wheel button and click on the exact same spot where the latitude and longitudes are crossed. So I will try to be as accurate as possible. So I think this point is good enough. So I will click the left click and a new window would appear. So you can now zoom it out. You can see this green dot has been moved. It doesn't matter, so you don't need to be worried about. You can hover around the mouse and use the middle click to move the frame. So the north is, or the y-axis is 30 degrees, and the east is 66 degrees, and I will click OK. So as simple as that. Here you can see the details has been added. So this is the point that we have just georeferenced. So we need a minimum of 4 points to georeference a geological map. So the more you include the points, the more will your data be accurate. So let's now go up here and try to be as accurate as possible. So I think this is good enough. You can see the green dot is moving again, so it doesn't matter. So now the north is 31 degrees here, and the east is 66 degrees here. And I will click OK. So you can see the green dot has been moved back to the original place. Okay, so let's quickly go to this end, and I will left click here and zoom out, and the north is now 31 degrees and the east is 68 degrees. Click OK. So you can see these points are being added. And let's choose the last point. So I will left click here on this point and zoom out, and the north is 30 degrees and the east is 68 degrees. And I will click OK. Okay, so we are done. It is as simple as that. So we have chosen these 4 points. So I already explained that if you give more points, you will increase the accuracy of this georeferencing. So just click this play button. So when I start georeferencing, it will give a warning or a prompt to set the output file. So I have not given the output file. So I think I will give it the name of Pakistan. It will be a TIFF file, and I will click save. So you don't need to change anything else. The target coordinate reference system is the default one. Okay, so to be safe, I will choose the default one and I will click OK. So now the output file has been set. Now I will just click start georeferencing. So it will run the georeferencing, and the map has been georeferenced. So I will close this window and I will discard. It is asking right now to if you want to save the GCP points, the ground control points, so we don't need them. I will discard. So now the map has been georeferenced. So to check its accuracy, I will open a Google map. Okay, so let's bring it down, and I will just decrease the transparency to just see how accurate our results are. So I will close it and let's zoom in to this part. So you can see the accuracy is quite reasonable at this stage. With just 4 points, you can see this lobe of the mountain is coming here, and when I open the geological map, you can see it is quite accurate at this location. So let's see somewhere else. You can see the mountain lobes are coming here, and they are here as well. So I will open the geological map so you can see they are quite fit on these places. So this is your geological map. This is now saved into the given folder that we have just saved. So just keep in mind that these georeferencing points that we have given are in decimal format. So these points will work on the edges. So these are the edges. So the 66 degrees and 30 degrees, you can write them as it is, but you cannot write the 15 degrees. So what you need to do is to just convert uh, these into decimal format. So you can write degrees, minutes, seconds to decimal in the Google, and you can use any one of these websites. So I will click this one, and you can give degrees. Suppose I am giving 66 degrees. So here I will write 66, and this is 15 minutes. So I will write 15 minutes, and I will be getting 66.25 degrees instead of 66.15. So just keep this in mind to do the conversion before proceeding into these minutes and seconds. So that's it for today. The map has been saved in this location, so you can use this TIFF file anywhere in any QGIS interface. Thank you so much.